Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review over the Oklar wrist type blood pressure monitor from a company called Oklar. This is basically a wrist monitor that you're going to monitor your blood pressure with, that you're going to put on your left wrist. And it's all digital. It's also got a voice thing on it, so if you're a little bit hard of hearing, or hard of seeing rather, it'll talk to you. Or I guess if you're hard of seeing, it'll talk to you. I'm, at the age to where I have to watch my blood pressure. My wife watches hers. It's just a good thing in this day and age to monitor. And I found that this thing is pretty accurate compared to what my doctor does. I brought it to the doctor's office one day, and it was right in line with it. So the line of work I'm in, I'm a charter boat captain here in the state of Florida, and we're monitored by the Department of Homeland Security and the United States Coast Guard, just like for medical stuff and all that. So blood pressure is one of the things, just like a pilot, they watch out for. So throughout my career, I'm always watching my blood pressure, and I found this is just a pretty cool thing to have. And as you can see here in a second, I'm going to have my wife demonstrate it, but let's pull it out of this case here. So it comes with a nice carrying case. Oh yeah, you can always tell something that's quality right off the bat the way it's packed. So this thing, nice little carrying case if you travel. Like for me, if I bring it on the boat, I can keep it right there. It's got a USB-C charger. I think it's a USB-C. Let's see, it doesn't say. It stores up to 240 readings for 2 users. Fast and accurate, turns off after 60 seconds. It's a good little portable blood pressure machine. So this thing's pretty cool. Look at that. So you got all that. It's got the little wrist thing. I don't know how big the wrist is for. So I mean, if your wrist is bigger than that, that's a pretty big wrist. I guess it could go like that if you needed it to. But here, as you can see, so it's easy to use. You start on, start off, all that kind of good stuff. And as you can see in this video right here, I got it on my wife. We'll test her blood pressure, see what it's like. And there you go. So it looks pretty good. Yeah, so see the reading is pretty good there. It worked for her, works for me. Okay, so I really like this thing. It's pretty cool. Again, it's the Oklar wrist blood pressure monitor, and I think you're going to like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.